Continuing on, CNC Group Break number 3179. One of the 11-12 Crown Royale and Limited. Lords of the NHL jersey for the Capitals, Alex Ovechkin. And a rookie for the Flames, Lance Boma. Alright. We've got a Scratching the Surface Signatures for the Boston Bruins, Michael Ontkeen. Pretty sure that's an actor. So neat. Michael Ontkeen. We've got an All the Kingsmen jersey for the New York Islanders, Pat LaFontaine. And a ruby for the Ducks, Bobby Ryan. And we've got a Calder Collection autograph, number 99 for the Philadelphia Flyers, Sean Couturier. Sure. Ontkeen was in Slapshot, eh? Oh, yeah. Okay, I got it now. Lords of the NHL for the Hurricanes, Jeff Skinner. All right, on to the Limited. Might not recognize the name Michael Ontkeen, but I recognize Ned. Base card of $2.99 for the Ottawa Senators, Erik Karlsson. Red parallel number to 49 for the Edmonton Oilers, Mark Messier. Banner season number to 299 for the Boston Bruins, Zdeno Chara. Phenoms rookie autograph to 299 for the Dallas Stars, Thomas Vincour. Crease Cleaners jersey number to 99 for the Carolina Hurricanes, Cam Ward. We've got a banner season jersey prime number 9/50 for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Martin St. Louis. Crease Cleaner silver number to 49 for the New Jersey Devils, Martin Brodeur. And a Stanley Cup winners number to 199 for the Carolina Hurricanes, Eric Stahl. Coming up next, Titanium and Select.